Let's muster this.
Bed.
They're going to do a muster drill.
Mustard.
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 Donald, look. Yay! Ooh.
8th floor.
No, stay here. Genie.
This is
We
Oh,
ate
this is us. Sorry.
mandatory muster drill. You've got to have your key to the world.
We want these
physically on you.
ones. Then level 2.
This way.
I don't know where to go. I don't know.
Let's see.
And don your life jacket. Then proceed to your assembly station. Life jackets for each member of your party. Disabilities. In the event of an actual emergency, specially trained crew members will assist those who are not able to confirm.
Perfect towards that further staircase, please. Thank you.
And follow the signs posted in the corridors to
This is
your
nice.
assembly station. Please note that all crew services will be suspended during the drill. Thank you. Attention all traffic controllers, evacuation teams, and assembly teams. You should now be...
Mum, did you see that? Mine just glowed up. As I was walking down the steps.
What's something good from then? Yeah, so I guess new right now.
No.
Thank you. It's cute, isn't it?
These seats look up.
I think we've got about 3 shows to watch in here.
May I have your attention, please? The mandatory emergency drill will begin at the end of this announcement. If you are not yet at your assigned assembly station, please proceed by following the signs and directions given by the designated crew members, paying particular attention to the escape route you are taking to your assembly station. The ship is equipped with low-level emergency lighting, which is installed in the floors of the corridors to help guide you to the exits. Please take no food or drinks and refrain from using cell phones during the drill. Once again, at the completion of this announcement, the general
You're gonna have to put
alarm
that
will
away.
be sounded. If you or anyone in your party have sensitive hearing, you may want to cover your ears at this time.
A reminder, the mandatory emergency drill has begun. If you have not already done so, please start making your way to your assembly station.
What?
Regardless of age or how many times you may have sailed with us before, it is mandatory that all guests attend this very important drill. Ship's officers are monitoring attendance and we thank you in advance for your cooperation.
El simulacro de emergencia ya ha comenzado. Si todavía no lo...
Awesome. Well, we want to thank you all for your patience and attention during today's safety briefing. Here in the Walt Disney Theater, we do have 4 assembly stations. Assembly Station A, B, C, and D. Assembly Station A, you have Kelly as your leader. Everyone say hi, Kelly. Assembly Station B, you have Preston as your leader. Everyone say hi, Preston. Assembly Station C, my name is Taylor. I'm your leader. Hi, C.
Hi, Taylor.
And Assembly Station D, you have Kevin as your leader. Everyone say hi, Kevin. Alrighty, and then all these folks around you in the yellow vest are your assembly team. Let's give them a round of applause. Now, that loud signal we did hear a few minutes ago is a signal called the general alarm. It consists of 7 short blasts followed by 1 long blast on our ship's whistle. And if you didn't hear that alarm at any time during your cruise, we would ask that you immediately go to your stateroom and grab the following items. Can everyone hold up a number 1 for me? First thing we want to make sure we have is warm clothing and comfortable shoes. Number 2, we want to grab any essential medication that we might need. And finally, number 3, you want to grab your life jacket. It will be located inside your stateroom closet. It looks just like the ones we are wearing around you, except yours will be orange. Once you have all of your items, we ask that you bring them all back here with you to the Walt Disney Theater. We are located all the way forward at the front of the ship. Assembly stations A and C, you are located on deck 4 and deck 3 respectively, and you are on the port side of the ship. What side of the ship are you on? Port. Very nice. Assembly stations B and D, you are located on deck 4 and deck 3 respectively, and you are on the starboard side of the ship. What side of the ship are you on? Very nice. In a few minutes, we will have a video presentation for you all, just going into a little bit more detail of our safety procedures here on board.
Alrighty, folks, at this time, please put all phones and electronic devices away. Thank you.
Your attention, please. The mandatory emergency drill.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Subscribe our channel. Turn on our channel. Remember to hit the notification bell and give us a huge thumbs up. Bam! Bye, guys. Bye, guys.